Hello, this is Corbin with Timbercrest Roofing and Siding. I just want to showcase to you what an organic shingle looks like and how badly they get damaged even when you try to tarp them. So not even touching the shingle, I'm just going to paint this video. You can see all the pieces of this shingle just falling right off, just completely flaking. These shingles are toast. So in this case, we're handling an insurance claim, and we're able to get a large portion of this roof covered for this homeowner. And now we're just tarping an area with exposed wood. But this is what it looks like when you even barely touch these things. They just fall apart. They're just flaking in horrible condition. So if you have any wind damage, or you think your shingles might be organic, give us a call. Timbercrest Roofing and Siding.